Everybody's coming to the forefront of this legacy system loom that we need to make a decision to go to cloud compute. So the opportunity came up to either clone and carve our old systems or look at alternatives. My division comprised of 4 different business units. At the time, we had roughly 17 different ERP platforms. I didn't feel it was doing my business justice just to give them an old SAP system without the bells and whistles that they need to run a modern platform. But globally speaking, I think QAD has a niche for manufacturing. I wouldn't be here putting my name on the line if I didn't believe it. So it was imperative that we go to a standard, right? The main thing I think pushing for QAD for myself was the usability at the shop floor. I'm getting modernized platform. I reduced my technical debt, but it's really the usability on the shop floor and helping, the end users thrive in the system.